All right, I've got a good Cub Cadet 48-inch Z-Force fabricated deck. It's got the rocker arms on the front with the bigger fat tires in the back and bigger front casters on the front. It's reinforced steel all the way around on this deck. And then it's also got the Kohler 22 horsepower professional grade motor. And yes, this arm rest, or whatever you want to call it, fender with the cup holder is missing. Somehow it came off on the highway the other day. It was on there and we lost it. We don't know how we lost it, but it doesn't affect its operation at all. It wasn't a fuel tank or anything. It was just the cup holder, and you can order that on Amazon. It will be priced reflecting that. I want to say this thing has got 700, let's see, 765 on the hours. Doesn't smoke or anything like that. Foot deck height adjustment. E-brake over here. Choke. Water runs real smooth. I'll idle it down for you. Rev it back up. Deck height is here. You just tip it forward and let it drop into your pin place. It's got a real good blade tip speed, more like a commercial mower. This is kind of a entry-level commercial, a little heavier duty, the fabricated deck, and better blade tip speed. It mows really good, even in very thick grass. My grass right here is not very thick, but I'll still show it to you and show you how she cuts. Cut through here. Go up here, I got a little bit thicker grass. Maybe you can see it a little bit better, or at least a little bit taller. Nice clean cut through there. Idle it down. Good heavy mower right here.